Do you want to know what's inside it? Your funeral. I want to be the girl who has protein bars in their backpack, but I just cannot because chewing gum भी मेरे इसमें टिकता नहीं है guys. तो मैं obviously अपने बड़े भाई की चाटने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. Obviously ताकि उसकी property मुझे मिल जाए. Oh my God. I think I'm good. It's okay. मैं बस ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि मैं ये पहनती नहीं हूँ क्योंकि मुझे सर दर्द होता है. पर वॉटसन में बैग में दिखाना तो पड़ेगा कि भाई रेबैन्स हैं आपके पास हाँ. There's something here I don't want to show it because my mom will know that I use it for my safety. Hi, my name is Sumukhi Suresh. I'm a stand-up comedian, actor, writer, and a slow runner. And today we're gonna find out what's in my pack. Okay, I don't have those handbags because handbags look like I'm carrying vegetables home with me. So I carry backpacks so that I feel important. So this is my Tumi backpack. It's my favorite. It's also very good for weightlifting. Half of my workout is this. Do you want to know what's inside it? Your funeral. Okay. This is the smallest compartment of my bag. जहाँ पे मेरा phone है. It's terrible phone cover. If you want to donate phone covers, please send. But it's on silent. Great. The topmost is this one, which has my laptop, which actually looks like a register so that it doesn't get stolen. तो मैं actually रख देती हूँ airport की वो tray में and they're like notebook की ज़रूरत नहीं है. I said नहीं sir, actually this is a laptop. I find it very cute. A lot of people have tried to hit makhis when they're sitting on this. उनको लगता है notebook पे मार रहे हैं. तो मेरे laptop के लिए थोड़ा it's scary also, but it can live with it. Oh, now comes the main section. Cool, got it. There's socks because it's a rainy season. And these are Batman socks. I know. Then, oh, there's my stand-up notebook. Most comics carry a small notebook because it's just easier to carry a smaller notebook so that it can go in smaller pouches and bigger bags. In a hurry, I'm always in a hurry, or she falls too much, which is also something I do. No. No one, because I don't think anyone will want my backpack. Because it's got the most functional things ever. But if I could, okay, I really enjoyed Ehsas's bag, which was filled with too many things. Like she had protein bars and everything. I'm like, oh, I want that bag. I want to be the girl who has protein bars in their backpack, but I just cannot because chewing gum भी मेरे इसमें टिकता नहीं है, guys. Next up, I have a book. It's Jeffrey Archer's Next in Line. Actually, I'm a very slow reader. Okay, so I give myself 2 pages a day. 2 pages तो हो ही जाएगा. इतनी पढ़ी लिखी तो मैं हूँ. And this is to tell people that I'm at 219 page, but actually I'm at 2037 actually. So I carry one book with me so that I read 2 pages every day. This one's Jeffrey Archer because my brother loves Jeffrey Archer, and my brothers are better readers and writers than me. So I try to be a lot like them कि वो क्या पढ़ रहे हैं मैं वही पढ़ूंगी. So my brother loves Jeffrey Archer. तो मैं obviously अपने बड़े भाई की चाटने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. Obviously ताकि उसकी property मुझे मिल जाए. Hairbrush. If someone has a cleaner hairbrush, then don't show off. Okay. This, I love this pouch. I bought this, I don't know where I bought it. But I love Indian print pouches. So in case you make Indian print pouches, but like the silky types, like shiny types, not the earthy jute types. I don't like those that much. This pouch is makeup pouch, but I don't want to increase standards for people because this is very random makeup products. Together, can I create a look with this? I don't think so. I have a Gucci perfume, which is cute. I like. This is a Tide pen, which I think has gone through Tide pen itself. मैंने Tide pen को Tide pen से clean कर दिया है. ये तो ऐसा लग रहा है. Oh, I have this. This is a new lip balm. This is because I saw it in Mostly Sane Prajakta's story, so I bought a lip balm for myself. I'm extremely influenced by influencers. This is another lip balm. I don't know why. I don't have a reason. Okay, I'm going to show you all. You know what? Screw it. This is a MAC Squirt lipstick, which Sumaira Sheikh told me to buy. And it's really cool. If you see, it puts a little shine on it. So all these youngsters are using. So why not? This is a cream that I don't know why I use. This is a Listerine mouth spray which Deepika Padukone uses, and Sumaira saw this, so Sumaira started using it. I never used it then, but then she told me Deepika Padukone uses it, so now I use it. It's very nice before, especially if you go before dates. Oh my god, I think I'm good. It's okay. Lots of tampons. I know a lot of people say, Sumukhi, move to menstrual cup. I don't have the guts. I'll come to it. Okay, this is my first Chanel lipstick. I was very excited to buy this. It's of course a red lipstick. And I showed it to my mother, and my mother's like, sure, you're just a characterless girl wearing red lipsticks. I'm like, I guess that's it. And yeah, is there anything more interesting in this? No, I don't think so. There's a blush that is broken. See, this is a believable bag. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि मैं fancy हूँ, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. मैं mostly अपनी चीजें तोड़ देती हूँ. 3 things in my bag that I cannot live without. My laptop, my wallet, and my perfume. Mom, dad, that's enough. It's fine. My brothers can take care of themselves. And this is, I really like eyeshadow because I don't know how to apply makeup a lot. So this is the one thing that I put so that no one looks at the bags under my eyes. Everyone's like, wow, what is this eyeshadow? I'm like, it's shiny, right? Shut up. So I carry this everywhere. It's just easier to trick people. It's chewing gum, which I never eat. So I have an office filled with writers, I think 16 or 17, they all steal this. This was full 2 days back. इसमें 4 हैं. तो मैं तनख्वाह और chewing gum दोनों देती हूँ मेरे writers को. Very good. These are my sunglasses. I look too cool. Are you ready? Please. I love these glasses. मैं बस ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि मैं ये पहनती नहीं हूँ क्योंकि मुझे सर दर्द होता है. पर वॉटसन में बैग में दिखाना तो पड़ेगा कि भाई रेबैन्स हैं आपके पास. हाँ. Oh my God. आलिया भट्ट के बाद तो आप ही के पास. Then is my, this is potpourri that I put in my bag because I don't want my bag to be smelly. It's nice and nice. It's actually a pretty pouch. I didn't realize, so I'm very glad. So ye just so that if someone opens my bag, they're like, "How does it smell so nice?" I was like, "Natural." Crazy. What else? Cable pouch. Everyone has a cable pouch, right? Yeah. My cable pouch has 3 women. For me, these 3 women are my friends Aisha, Sumaira, and I, because 3 of us mostly gossip sitting like this. Just minus the घूंघट. It's just इसके नीचे हमारे पास में इसके अंदर मेरे पास chargers and cables. That's it. It's very cute. Do you want to know more? Cool. Okay. I'm gonna put it on my lap now. This is actually, to me, I got it inscribed SS, which is Sumukhi Suresh. But I went to Germany and my friends were like, don't show it here because it means Hitler. So I was like, got it. This seems like a you problem. My wallet, I have everything in my wallet actually. All my cards. I think I also, no, I removed some of my cards. Chiller. Oh, this is my brother's visiting card. He's a professor in Manhattan College. My brother is very well read. He's done his PhD, unlike me who finished her graduation and stopped. It's my Aadhaar card, but this is the fake one, so I don't want to show it. There's something here, I don't want to show it because my mom will know that I use it for my safety. Or, you know, someone else's safety. You get it, right? Okay. There's, what else? Wait. I'm sure I have something here. Oh, I have 3 pens. I always have pens. Oh, I have more than 3 pens. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. One of them also has my name on it, Sumukhi. This is what I do usually, and this is a marker in case I read something nice in a book, then I mark it and then I quote it to people so that people think I'm smart. And that's how you don't have friends forever, you know. Yeah, this is all. She would add, oh wow, okay, she would definitely, she would add a lot of things, but my mom will definitely add you know, she's very sly. She'll add a little bit kungumam, okay, so that it reminds me that one day I also want to fill my mug with sindoor. She'll do that for sure. Okay, one she'll do. Second, she'll put one fruit. She'll put one apple because she in her head thinks apple means I'll be fine. Second. third, actually, I feel like my mom will put, she put a little bit pickle because I like tangy stuff. So one thing to derail me and manipulate me, and the other two to like me. So this is coconut sugar, natural sweetener. I'm trying to cut sugar because everyone says sugar is the worst. But also, I'm going to die in 30 years. I know it because everybody's going to die mostly in 30 years. So should I really use this or should I just continue using sugar? I don't know. Because anyway, everyone's going to die, right? That's right. A good depressing thought for you guys. I think it was crunchy nose. I don't have scrunchy here. What is in this? Oh, it's my perfume. Okay, so this is my rich people perfume. It's a Dolce Gabbana. ये ना tobacco और leather की तरह smell करता है. So basically, I smell like an inside of a car. So everyone comes near me and they're like, wow, what is this expensive car? I'm like, Mercedes जो तेरा बाप नहीं खरीद सकता. ऐसी कुछ चीज़ें बोल देती हूँ मैं. But actually मैं भी नहीं खरीद सकती. तो इसलिए मैं Dolce Gabbana का perfume sale में खरीद लिया. It's very nice. So अगर आपको you want to smell like an inside of a car, like an Emirates car or like a BMW, or your friends are like, भाई तू कहाँ से आ रहा है? भाई मैं Mercedes की गार्ड से आ रहा हूँ. That's what you use. So this is my Dolce & Gabbana perfume with some tricks for you. My last front mein, it is my keys. Let me show you the keychain. Actually, keychain is fun. This is the Wimbledon keychain because Wimbledon is the best. I follow tennis. It is because my brothers watched cricket. So I realized कि मुझे cricket नहीं देखना. मैं cricket देखती हूँ because if you have two elder brothers, you have to watch cricket. You have to know कि Kanetkar का वो last over पे उसने कैसे चौका मारा and all. You have to know these facts, otherwise they'll hate you. But I started watching tennis as like a rebel कि मैं tennis देखूँगी. But I ended up liking tennis and Wimbledon is my favorite. Wimbledon and Roland Garros are my favorite tournaments. I'm yet to go for Roland Garros, so I don't have that. This is, my brother bought me this when I went to meet him in New York. He bought me an S keychain so that I remember that my name starts with an S. Clearly, my elder brother thinks I'm 5 years old. This is a telephone booth which my friends Sumaira and Aisha gave me. Is because when I went to London, I made a very strong memory inside a telephone booth. What is that memory? I will never tell you. I might if you come for my stand-up special. What else is left? That's all. That's all. That's all in my backpack. I will sing it for you. You know, okay. I think the theme song for my bag is Tenu Kala Chachma. Tenu Kala Chachma. Kala Chachma. Yeah, that one. Yeah, Kala Chashma. Kala Chashma. Because it's Kala also and it really masks the sadness.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you guys so much. Hi, my name is Sumukhi Suresh and if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Pink Villa. If you don't like this video, watch the other videos and then like, share and subscribe to this Pink Villa channel.